Evening everyone, hope you're all alright. Sorry I've not been posting very much again lately. I've been really busy at work trying to sort things out. But I've got a new permission. It's on a like a horse show jumping ground. I don't know if you can see in the background there, all the jumps. It's only one field, but there's lots of rabbits around here, and I'm gonna get set up. I'm gonna take the sniping sort of tactic tonight, where I'm gonna get laid out, get everything set up, and just see if I can get a few shots. So let's see how I get on. Right, so I've had a quick recce. All the rabbits seem to come out of all these nettles behind me, all along there. So I'm gonna get set up over here, about 35-40 yards away, get laid out and see what I can do. So this is my little setup. I'm literally just gonna get inside this fence post here and get laid out. The rabbits aren't too wary about people around here. They see them all the time with the horses, so they do come out quite a lot from what I can gather and what I've just seen. And this is a rifle I'm going to be using. It's the HW100 in 20 cal and the Harris bipod. It's got a Nikko Sterling scope on it once again, and I've got my Tacticam for the scope cam footage. And I think it's great how Weihrauch are now including this Picatinny rail that you can screw straight onto the dovetail, and the biathlon cocking lever. It also comes with 2 mags, which is great. It's just a great bit of kit. I've been practicing with it quite a lot in the garden. I've been getting like 5-pence groups right out to 50-55 yards with it, laying down. The other little bit of stuff I'm going to be using, the other bit of kit, is I've got my rangefinder just there, just to double check everything, and got my obviously rucksack with all my other little bits and bobs in, just in case I need anything else. So this is the view I've got that I'm going to be shooting out to. So it's not too bad at all. So I'm just going to get laid out, get a couple of hours, see if I can get some shots off, and see how many we get. that's it for tonight. I've had about 3 or 4 shots, which I wish I'd have had more, but I've only had a couple of hours at it, and I managed to pick 2 rabbits just there, and I think a couple more they did triple somersaults. I think they was in the Commonwealth Games at the minute, did some triple somersaults back into the net also. I didn't really want to go and retrieve them, so I thought I'd leave them for the fox. Now, the HW100 has been absolutely flawless, great rifle. Got it from Rich over at More Edges again. Great gun, great bit of kit. I mean, they've been out for ages, these guns, these rifles. There's so many different variants of them with different stocks, different size, you know, the carbine and whatever, and everything, different calibers. But I think the 20 cals performed really well tonight. Weihrauch silencer, God, as always, deadly quiet, just whisper quiet. Actually been the best on the market, I think, for God, the last 10 years, I think, possibly. Probably it might be even a bit longer. There's all been loads of different variants of this out as well. I think they were like miles and leagues above everybody else, ahead of the game by about 15 years when they bought the first their first silencer out with the old hair curlers in it, and they've just developed that technology to be even better now, and you know, it works, it's great, it's whisper quiet, like I said. I've been using the Weihrauch FT pellets, the 20 cals. Seems to shoot well with them, shoots well with field and target trophies. I can imagine it shoots well with JSBs as well. I just need to do a bit more pellet testing on different ranges and stuff, and see what it can do. And I'm still learning the limits of this gun, but I'm going to feature it in hopefully quite a few more of my videos, and we'll see how it gets on. But that's about it really. Thank you for watching, guys, once again. I hope you enjoyed this little short video. I know it wasn't that long, but I'm going to try and make a bit of a longer one next time. Probably try and get a bit more effort put into it for you all. So I hope you're all well anyway, and have a cracking weekend.